are there? Yes. Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes, children, in the previous period, we were discussing about what? About equations, isn't it? Solving the equations, right? In different different types of equations, when bracket is given and some are not with brackets and all that. Is it clear to you? We have done all the problems based on that. And towards the end, I'll give you one more problem based on that. Then we can pass on to word problems. Okay. I'll give you one of the previous type. Try to solve it. Yeah. If it is like this, 4 plus 5 into p minus 1. 4 plus, listen, 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34. Solve it. Okay, Fatima, can you tell me what is the first step in this?
Ma'am, we should start transport 4.
4. We should transpose 4, isn't it? So 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34.
34 plus 34 divided by 4.
This is
Minus 4.
added, no? 4 is added to the other expression. So minus. So positive 4, so subtract. Now we get 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 34 minus 4 is 30. Now how to do it? Pranav, Raji.
By 5.
Pranav, next step.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 5p minus 1 is equal to 30. We have minus
30.
Yes, ma'am. Then 5 divided by 30.
30 divided by 5. 5 is numerator here. So when you take it to the other side, it becomes denominator. So p minus 1 is equal to how much? 30 by 5 means what is the number?
6.
6. So p minus 1 is 6, no? So what is p now?
P is 7.
7. Because 6 plus 1. P is 7. Okay. So when it is coming, when the numbers are given like this, when the equation is given like this, children, what you have to do is simply separate what is what is added to it first. That is what is added, what is outside the bracket first. Okay, outside the bracket. See here, this 5 you cannot shift here because it is added to 4. So first you have to make it free. So we take 4 to the other side. Then this is free now. Then take 5 to the other side. So p minus 1 became free. Like that, one by one, you have to find the solution. One by one, you have to transpose and find the solution. Okay. Now next one. Next question. It is this. One more question we can do of the same type. 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Here, the variable is given on the right hand side. So what to do? You can simply shift it to the left side. No problem. Because children, if I write 3 is equal to 2 plus 1, one equation. If I write it like this, any problem? Everything on the right side, I am taking to the left side. And everything on the left side, I am taking to the right side. That means equation never changes, no? Same meaning. So you can put all this right hand side to the left hand side, no problem. So it will come like this. It will be looking like this. So it is easy for you to do the problem. 16. Now find out the answer yourself.
My answer is 2.
What? T is equal to, how much you got?
2.
2.
Yes,
T is equal to 2 you are getting. Yes, correct. 2. Okay. What about others? Anybody got the answer?
Ma'am, I did not understand this problem.
Fatima? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, Fatima, what did I say is, see this step, did you understand this step?
Yes,
I-
ma'am, I understand.
That you understood. Okay. Now the solution, isn't it? Solution. Here you see this 4. We cannot take this directly here because it is multiplied with this expression and also added with one more number, isn't it? So we cannot directly take 3 to this side. First, what we have to do, this one we will separate. So this we will transpose. So what is this? This is added here. Positive 4 is added here. So when we transpose, it will become 16 minus 4. So right left hand side will be 3 into t plus 2. So 3 into t plus 2 is equal to 16 minus 4 is how much?
12.
12. Now you know to solve it, no? Fatima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So t plus 2 you will get 12 by 3. T plus 2 is equal to 4.
4 minus 2.
So t is equal to 4 minus 2. T is equal to 2. Answer. Not 3. T is equal to 2. Okay. 2. You will get the answer as T is equal to 2. Then one last problem in this set. After that, we can start with word problems, children. Last problem in this set of problems. You can do it. This question is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. Do it yourself and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes, Alicia, what is the answer you get?
Ma'am, 2.
Again, you got m is equal to 2, you are getting
Yes. M is equal to 2.
m is equal to 2. Okay. Yes. Aaron, what did you get?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Find out. Shreya, are you there? Shreya, are you present now? Hello. Can you answer this? Shreya,
Ma'am,
answer this question. First, what we will do? We can just
16 plus 4.
16 plus 4 into m minus 6 is equal to 0. We can write first step. Then 16, what to do now after this? Shreya, I'm not finding you in my class. That's why I'm asking. Are you doing the follow-up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me then what is the next step?
16 m 6.
Left side will be what? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you. Nihal Mustafa?
Minus 6.
Yes, 4 into m minus 6 is equal to how much? How much? Nihal?
Ma'am, 6 itself, I think 6.
0 is here. You cannot change that.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am, 6, ma'am.
-14, ma'am.
That is wrong. 14 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 is wrong. 14
Ma'am, negative 12.
0, wait. 0 minus 16, isn't it? This 16 we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
transpose. So 0 minus 16. So 4 into m minus 6 is equal to minus 16. Irene,
Ma'am.
what is the next step?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, m minus 6 is equal to minus 16 by 4.
Yeah. So we will get
Is equal to minus 4.
yes, this is equal to minus 4. So m minus 6 is equal to minus 4 and m is equal to
Minus 4 plus 6
minus 4 plus 6. So you will get m
is equal to plus 2.
plus 2. Aaron, where did you go wrong? Nihal, did you get it?
Ma'am, I got wrong in the 4m minus 6.
4m. Where you went wrong? 4 into m minus 6. 4,
Instead of dividing by 4,
Add
I minused it by 4, ma'am.
4, if you do like that in exam, you will lose all the marks. Okay. Be careful. This is simply done here. It is multiplication. It's multiplied over there. You have to divide. Clear, children? Okay.
Yes.
Shall we pass on to word problems based on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, same thing, but you have to frame the equation, then solve it. It is like that. That is interesting. Okay. Question is set up equation and solve them. Question is this: set up equations and solve them. Set up equations and solve them. That is the question. First one. Add 4 to 8 times a number. Add 4 to 8 times a number.
Ma'am, you didn't screen share.
She did.
Ma'am,
She did. Ma'am, you did, ma'am.
Ma'am, you did the check.
Yes.
Add 4 to 8 times a number. You get 60. You get 60. Okay, Nihal, can you try? Nihal is not seen. I think he is traveling. Rehan Dev. Rehan, where are you? Rehan Dev, are you here? Okay, read the question and tell me the equation. What to write now?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
1 minute. Aaron, wait. Rehan Dev, you tell me. Add 4 to 8 times a number, then you will get 60. So we can suppose first let the number be x. Is x. So how to proceed with the question? Rehan Dev? No answer. Priyadatta, come on.
Yes, ma'am. 8x plus 4 equals 60.
Yes, 4 is add 4 to 8 times a number. So 8x, isn't it? 8 times a number is 8x. 8 times means it is multiplied. Plus 4 is equal to 60. Alan Siju, I think you...
Ma'am, I wrote 4
Alan?
plus m8 is equal to 60, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Any letter you can use. It is not compulsory to use X always. M is also possible. You can write. So how to move now? Proceed with the problem. 9. What is the next step? Next step.
Yes, ma'am. Next step.
Ma'am, I solved the equation too, ma'am. I solved it.
Okay, Aaron, what is the answer?
Ma'am, answer is 7, ma'am.
You got 7. Excellent. Come on. This is Abhinath. Abhinath, switch on your video. No answer. Abel Jofi.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, answer it.
Ma'am, next step.
Next step.
Ma'am, 8x is equal to 60 minus 4.
60 minus 4, correct. So 8x will be what? 60 minus 4, you'll get 56, isn't it? So x is how much?
7, ma'am.
Yes, 56 by 8. 7. X is equal to 7. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, do we have to create this
Create,
question?
yes. Create the question equation. You
Ma'am.
have to frame the equation. You have
Yes.
to frame the equation and you have to solve it. That is the question you have to.
Next question, ma'am. Next problem.
Next problem. Next problem is 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of a number minus 4. Minus 4 gives 3.
Ma'am, 35.
35. You got the answer 35. Who got? Alicia got?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let us check what is the answer. Can you tell me the equation which you framed?
Yes. 1 by 4, 5th or
Of a number. So let the number be.
x minus
Let the number be y. Y. So how will you write it?
1 by 4th.
1/5. So 1/5 of
Y.
1/5 of y minus 4 gives
8. 3.
3. So 1/5 of y means 1/5 into y, isn't it? Minus 4 is equal to 3. 1/5 into y is y by 4, 5, isn't it? 1/5 into y. 1 into y, y. Then y by 5. Minus 4 is equal to 3. So how to solve it?
1 by 4th, x is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7.
3 plus 4. So y by 5 is equal to 7. So what is y?
3 is equal to 7 into 5.
Very good. So y we will get 35.
35.
Any doubt in the step, children? You please ask me. Any doubt? Just go through the steps, all of you. All of you go through the steps, and which step you didn't understand?
35, ma'am.
35 is the answer, correct. Any step you didn't understand, you can ask me. Okay, next question. Next one is, if I take 3/4 of a number, if I take 3/4 is given in word, 3/4 of a number, if I take 3/4 of a number, and add 3 to it, and add 3 to it, I get 21. I get 21. So what is the number? How are you going to answer?
$24.
No, first you tell me the equation.
Ma'am.
3/4 y plus 3 gives 21.
If I take a 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it. So let the number be, we can take the number as another number. Let the number be, let the number is, number be y. Okay. So take 3/4 of a number. So 3/4 of y, isn't it? So tell me the equation now.
3/4 of y plus 3 gives 21.
Yes. Then Abel, can you repeat? Can you Yes, next step. Which number you will take to other side, transpose?
Of y is equal to 21 minus 3.
Ma'am,
People.
3 divided by 4.
3 by 4 y is equal to
21 minus
21.
21 minus 3. Isn't it? So 3 by 4 y is equal to what is 21 minus 3? You will get
18.
18. Yes. So y is equal to how much? 18. This one, when you transpose, it will become reciprocal. Into 4 by 3 it will come. Isn't it?
We can cancel 18 and 3.
So 3 and 18 you can cancel. 3 6 are 18. 6 into 4 y is equal to 24. Or you can multiply and find the answer also. Answer is y is equal to 24. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next question. Is there any doubt, children? Please ask me in this. Any you have any doubt, you can ask me now. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Same method. Okay, everything is same. No difference. Next one. This Rehan, Dev and all, he is not answering any of the questions, Rehan. Next one. Next one is,
Go coming, ma'am. There is some problems that way.
Munna subtracts, Munna, write down, Munna subtracts thrice a number. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has. Thrice the number of notebooks he has. He has from 50. From 50. He finds the result to be 8. Result to be 8. Okay, come on, find the number. Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebooks he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Badi, you have to think and tell me the equation. Badi Al Zaman. Read the question, then frame the equation. Munna subtracts what? Thrice the number of notebooks. That means 3 times the number of notebooks which he has. From what? From 50. And he got the result 8. So how will you represent using an unknown?
50 minus 3x
50 minus, yes, 50 minus
Equal to 8.
thrice. Let the number of, next you have to write, let the number of notebooks be, number of notebooks is equal to x. So 50 minus 3
Ma'am,
times
50 minus 3x
X
minus
equal
8 is equal to 8.
8. Now you have to solve it, isn't it?
Positive 40.
Yes, come on. So what? 50 we can transpose. Positive 50 when you transpose, it will be
Ma'am, is it 4?
8 minus 50.
8 minus 50.
Ma'am, is it 14? 1 4.
Ma'am, 4
Okay, we will check. We will check. We should check. Yes.
is the answer.
Yes, we can get. So minus 3x is equal to this one. We will see minus 3x is equal to 8 minus 50. What is that?
Negative 42.
42. Negative 42. So x is equal to negative 42 by
3.
-3.
-3. Both are negative. So x is equal to how much?
Is equal to x is equal to 40.
14. Positive 14 because
Positive
negative
14.
by negative. Negative by negative is positive. So answer is positive 14.
Or simply 14. Okay, right now.
14. That is enough.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Just go through it. Where is your doubt? Just tell me. Just go
Maybe
through
the
it.
Ma'am, at the
Can you
-3n is equal to 8 minus
Ah.
15.
Which step you didn't understand?
Ma'am, -3x is equal to 8 minus 15.
Minus this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Here we positive 50, no? This one we transpose to this side. So we will get minus 50. Did you understand that?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now here it is minus 3x. That we cannot take, it is there itself. Write it there.
Okay.
Now we transpose, you will get this minus 3 will take to down. It will become the denominator, isn't it? This is numerator here. So when you take transpose, it will become the denominator, minus 3. Then you will
Okay,
get the
ma'am.
value of x. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, what is the time? 2:54. I'll take attendance, children. I'll give you
6 more
homework,
minutes,
same
ma'am.
type of homework. Okay, same type homework I'll give you. Everything, every problem, if I am doing, what you will do, I'll give you extra questions also based on this. This is very important topic. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
my studio is off. Yes, children. So I'll take attendance. Huh? So today's class, it's over. I think some more problems by next day we can finish this chapter. Okay. Yes.
Yes.